So today I'm going to talk about where we can go when we want to do healing. First is Gangwon. I suggest you to go there in winter when it is very cold or snowing. You can see a lot of snow piled as tall as 5 to 10 centimeters. Also, you can see frozen waterfall and it is amazing. Not even that, you can do camping if you go in spring or fall. Secondly, I want to introduce Paju. We can fly kites at park and we can ride cable car that has glass floor. There is very big park and it has trees and beautiful flowers too. Thirdly, I want to suggest you to visit Busan. It is a very famous city, but I think it is very good to visit. There are towns that has a lot of wall painting and we can find statue of young boy sitting next to the fox. Also, the city has cable car too. You can see yellow statue. Last place I want to introduce is Gangnam. This place is very common place to go. There are lots of photo zones and parks with flowers. There is one thing that is special, it is three-way bridge. It is made of wood and rope so you can feel the thrill. These are the places I want to suggest you to visit. Thank you.